do. In Denmark, you have to do it yourself. You have to tank it yourself. Tank your car by yourself. You can see here. Sige sila. Tang. Hello guys, now I show you. Sa Pinas, diba daghan kay mga tank. Ito ganun nila, mga tank station boy. Kailangan ka tank. But here, wala yung makita ni mga mag-tank para sa imo, mama. Ikaw mismo magawa sa car, tapos mag-tank ka. Like what they did. What like they do. See there? Show you guys. See? Sila mismo nag-tank sa ilang car. What's the difference, Kat, in Philippines or in Denmark? Huska, in Philippines na vi har tankstation boy. I Danmark, du skal gøre dig selv. Du skal hjælpe dig selv, ikke?
Jo,
ikke så meget
men det er dobbelt så hurtigt at hjælpe sig selv.
Nemlig. Filippinerne, it's very fast. Compare sa Pinas. In Philippines, sa Pinas, nalagi tayo mga tank station boy, but it takes a lot of time. But here, do it yourself, then you will be done. You get done faster. Okay, so now it's our turn. Kamsa. Sige. You have to tank her. Then we'll see how much it costs per liter. This is diesel, I think. This is diesel, and you have to use how much it costs, I don't know. So we will do it here myself. Let's see how much it costs. Just use dali guys, magamit rami og dali og card. Yes, card. Yes, that's the way it is in Denmark. And today it's moivær. They call it bad weather. It's raining and windy. But anyway, it's okay. It's okay. You'll see. Kailangan dito guys, mag-tank up ka. Everything here is expensive, I can tell you. Nothing is free. Yes, our doctor is free because we pay a lot of taxes. We pay a lot of tax. Yes, we do that. That's the way it is. We do this. Yeps. Yeah. And here, what else I can tell you? We pay 38%. That's the minimum. Then up. The more you earn in Denmark, the more you pay tax. That's it. Now we paid how much? It's how much? The full tank is 50 liters and we have paid 453 crowns. we do. Street Puskiren. Yeah. Now, the other one. The other guy is done. It's moving. Oh, that's a lot, guys. Look. 453. That's 50 liters and 453 crowns. Times how much is that? Vad kostar det här skatt? 403 till 7,5 på många är det så? 5 times 7 cirka 3,500 pesos. No. Guys, we're on our way home. Going home. On our way home.
Det tog.
Yeah, it's I think more than 3,000 pesos. So that's a lot. But anyway, it's okay. Oh,